Sermon number 187. Vicissitudes of time, the mischiefs that are to occur, and the absence of lawful ways of livelihood. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. May my father and my mother be sacrificed for those few whose names are well known in the sky and not known on the earth. Beware. You should expect what is to befall you, such as adversity in your affairs, severance of relations and the rising up of inferior people. This will happen when the blow of a sword will be easier for a believer than to secure one dirham lawfully. This will happen when the reward of the beggar is more than that of the giver. This will be when you are intoxicated, not by drinking, but with wealth and plenty, you are swearing without compulsion and are speaking lies without compulsion. This will be when troubles hurt you as the saddle hurts the hump of the camel. How long will these tribulations be, and how distant the hope for deliverance from them? A people, throw away the reins of the horses who carry on their backs the weight of your hands, that is sins. Do not cut away from your chief, Imam, otherwise you will blame yourself for your own doings. Do not jump in the fire which is in flames in front of you, keep away from its courses. And leave the middle way for it. Because, by my life, the believer will die in its flames, and others will remain safe in it. I am among you like a lamp in the darkness. Whoever enters by it will be lit from it. So listen, amen, preserve it and remain attentive with the ears of your hearts so that you may understand.